Hey everyone! The Xiaomi Mijia Smart Air Fryer Pro Steam and Bake Edition 6.5 liter feels like a natural evolution of what smart kitchen appliances are trying to become. More versatile, more connected, and far less limited than the first wave of air fryers that focused almost entirely on crisping food. With this model, Xiaomi isn't just improving on capacity or power, it's fundamentally expanding what an air fryer can do by blending steaming, baking, and frying into a single appliance. At first glance, the standout feature is the generous 6.5-liter capacity, which immediately positions this as a family-oriented device rather than something designed for quick solo meals. The interior is wide rather than tall, which makes a noticeable difference in real-world use. Being able to fit a whole chicken or cook large batches like dozens of wings or a full tray of fries means you're not constantly cooking in shifts. The inclusion of a dual-layer rack adds another layer of practicality, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes at the same time without flavors mixing too heavily, which is something many smaller air fryers struggle with. Where this device really separates itself from typical competitors is the integration of a steam system. The built-in 1.5-liter water tank and 900-watt steam generator introduce a completely different cooking dynamic. Traditional air fryers often dry out food, especially when cooking meats or reheating leftovers, but here the addition of steam helps retain moisture while still allowing the exterior to crisp up. The ability to combine steam and hot air creates a more balanced result, where food comes out juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside, rather than one at the expense of the other. Performance-wise, the air fryer appears to be tuned for both speed and precision. The 360-degree hot air circulation system works in tandem with dynamic steam injection, which helps ensure even cooking without the need to constantly flip or shake food. Integration with the Mi Home app opens up access to a large library of recipes and remote control options, which is particularly useful for users who want guided cooking rather than experimenting on their own. The inclusion of over 100 cloud-based recipes alongside built-in presets makes the device approachable even for beginners. From a design and usability perspective, Xiaomi has paid attention to practical details. The stainless steel inner cavity not only improves durability, but also makes cleaning easier over time compared to coated interiors that can wear down. What also stands out is how the extra features contribute to everyday convenience rather than feeling like unnecessary add-ons. The keep warm function, drying mode, and deodorization setting all serve clear purposes in real kitchens, especially for people who cook frequently. In practice, this air fryer feels less like a single-purpose gadget and more like a compact, multifunctional oven alternative. It won't fully replace a traditional oven for large-scale cooking, but for most daily meals, it offers a faster, smarter, and more flexible solution. The only potential downside is that the added complexity, particularly with steam functionality, may require a bit of a learning curve for users who are used to simpler air fryers. Overall, the Xiaomi 6.5L Smart Air Fryer Pro Steam and Bake Edition stands out as one of the more ambitious entries in this category. It doesn't just improve on existing features, it redefines what users can expect from an air fryer by combining multiple cooking technologies into one cohesive system. For anyone looking to upgrade from a basic model or reduce reliance on multiple kitchen appliances, it presents a compelling and forward-thinking option. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a comment. Have a nice day and God bless you.